guys, I just left the Amazon bookstore, and it's basically what you would get at a Barnes and Noble or any other bookstore. They don't have any rare books. It's just whatever's popular, whatever everybody's reading, that's pretty much what you're gonna get in there. So, not impressed. It is what it is. So yeah, I just got some stuff on Strand, and then I'm gonna hit up one of my independent bookstore because this is what I want, and they don't have it anywhere. So we'll see. So I decided to just get on here and do a quick book haul. I don't want the video to be super long, so I'm not going to be really going into detail about these books. And I'm wearing my glasses, so hopefully the glare is not too bad, but I didn't feel like doing nothing. Anyway, so I'm going to go with the books that are older. Like these, some of the books, haven't done a book haul in a while, so some of the books I got from, I believe, May. And so the first one I have is Barracoon. So everybody knows this one. This is one of those popular ones, and but I haven't read it yet, so I'm gonna be definitely saving this for fall. So yeah, the next one is also one I believe that came out in May as well, and this is Welcome to Lagos. Haven't read it yet either, but I know I'm definitely gonna read most of these books that are, you know, heavy literature in the fall. I kind of like my contemporary right now. And then I also have Seg Harbor, which is part of Dee Dee's summer reading, and I did finish it already. I finished it pretty quick because I kind of wanted to read a lot more other books, but I'll talk more about this with my monthly wrap up. Then I picked up last week All Your Perfects by Colleen Hoover. I did a video of a review of this already. Definitely I'm gonna post that. I think this is the next video that I'm gonna post, but I already did the review. Yeah. Then we also have The Kiss Quotient, which I did a written review on the blog, and I'm gonna definitely post that one as well. But this one, yeah. So when I asked a couple videos ago to recommend me some classic literature, and the one I picked up two, and this one is Dangerous Liaison, and this one was on everybody's like top 10 classic to read. This is a French classic, and you know, so, and it sounds really like interesting, so definitely gonna be reading this before the end of the year. And then I had Madame Bovary, and this one is also a French classic, and this one seems a little scandalous, so definitely want to try and read this by the end of the year as well. So that's it. The next book is All We Ever Wanted, and this is a romance novel because that's what I want to read for the summer. So definitely going to read this before the end of the summer. And I haven't read anything from her probably about 4 or 5 years. The last book I read from her, I definitely remember giving it a 5-star. I really loved that book. But I haven't read anything from her since. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. And the next one is You, Me, Everything, which I talked about in my books I want to read for the summer, romance. And this one is definitely going to be read before the end of summer. And my most anticipated book of the year, ding 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 ding, is How to Love a Jamaican. And I purchased this today as I'm doing the video, and I started reading it on the train, and that was like, so far, like, okay, could relate to a lot of things that's going on. So yeah, definitely gonna read this and review it, but I'm here for this one. This book is, yes. The other 3 books that I have are off the Man Booker long list. I always read at least 4, sometimes more. I think last year I read 6 off the book, 6 off the long list, and 4 that I read actually made it to the short list. So there are 2 other books that I'm more interested in, but one doesn't come out until I believe the 4th of September. And then the other one comes out already. It's out already, but no one seems to have that book, which you can only get online, which is Milkman. And then the other one was Washington Black. I will put it somewhere up here so you can see that one. But the other ones I got was From a Low and Quiet Sea. I thought this was interesting because this is like 4 immigrants, and they all have different things that happen to them, and they're in this town, so it just seems kind of interesting. So, and it's short. I was surprised how short it was, but I picked this one up. And then the Mars Room. This one is because, I mean, it just seemed very interesting. It's some prison mess, so I was like, okay. And then also the girl looked kind of crazy. I don't know if y'all could see that. So when I read the synopsis, I was like, okay, yeah, this is definitely a fall kind of book for me. This is like the creepy fall book. And then the only graphic novel to ever got on the list, Sabrina. And I was like, yeah, it doesn't look like what you would think, but I love graphic novels, and this one, that seems so. Even when I was in the bookstore, the girl was saying that a lot of people read it so far and really loved it. Even before it got on the list, they knew it was really good. So, you know, yeah, this definitely gonna be a weekend graphic novel binge, because I have 3 other graphic novels that I haven't read yet that I want to read. So yeah, and of course, if you're in Strand, you got to get something else. So I have a bag that I've had for like 5 years, and I love it from the Strand, so I wanted to get like 2 more. So I got this one, and really love it. I like that it has all these, you know, library back in the day stamps, checkout stuff. So yeah. And then I got a plain one, mainly because it has a zipper on top. To be honest with you, that's why I got it, because most of my tote don't have a zipper. But I like that this one had a zipper, and it's real simple. It's not nothing, you know. So Strand books. So yeah. And that is it. So I'm gonna be reading, and all these books are gonna get read before the end of the year. Pretty much, I read what, 3 already of the 13. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.